Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Elektra MicroCasa espresso machine, and the customer reports that the water level is filling when pouring the shot. So he or she didn't bring a portafilter, so I'm gonna just try to test it without the portafilter. I don't see the sight glass gauge rising. So now I'm going to test it with a backflush disc in here and see if there's any issues. So this is putting back pressure on the machine. Still not seeing a rise in the sight glass. So thank you for watching with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.